of each component one by one and how we can use it. First of all, it's Arduino Uno. It is a microcontroller. It's linked given in the description. To make it easier, we are going to use a motor driver shield. It is L293D motor driver. We are just going to insert this motor driver over Arduino. This is a 12 volt battery and we need a Bluetooth module for serial communication between the mobile and the board. Now we can combine the Arduino Uno and the motor driver shield. Just insert it, that's it. Give a light press. Now it's time to connect the Bluetooth HC05 module. It has totally 6 pins. However, we are not going to use the corner pins, the state pin and enable pin. We are going to use the RX pin, TX, ground and 5 volt pin only in this project. You can see a TX and RX pin in the Arduino as well. Connect the TX pin of Arduino to RX pin of the Bluetooth and RX of the Arduino to the TX of the Bluetooth. Keep in mind one thing, that we have to connect the Bluetooth module, that is the TX and RX pin, to the Bluetooth only after uploading the code to the Arduino. Otherwise, the bootloader will show an error. Now that's all for, and mainly we are going to see one component that is nothing but a servo motor. These servo motors are used to control the directions of the board, and it is very easy to connect. Just plug the pin to the L293D motor driver shield, just like this. That's all. Now we have completed building our control circuit, and there's another motor is there. We have to connect to the two pins M1. These two pins should be used to connect the motor wires. That's all.